sponsor me. But I have my son. I can't go to US without my son. We're going both. I can buy ticket, 2 ticket. 1 ticket for me and 1 ticket for my son. But, mami, kuha ka na lang upuan mo. Mas maganda maupo sa malapit. Malapit. Huwag na kasi wala akong upuan dito. Hello, beautiful lady. Hello, no. Hi. Once bangers. Namimiss mo talaga. From me, who's that? Seriously, I want to meet you in here, baby. I'm for you. So I can't meet you because I am only in Philippines. Turn back and make it trick. Miss you, kami mag-live. Really? Hold my hand. Stop believing in forever. Yes. Do you have WhatsApp or Telegram? I have my WhatsApp. No, I don't have Telegram. You know my WhatsApp? Can you get my WhatsApp? +63946 2441 Mami, ganyan ka lang mag... Uy, ang bad mo. Bad talaga to si ano. Wala lang akong admin dito. Hindi ko makikik. Kasi wala akong moderator dito. Ngayon. Kita, sobrang promise kasi i-block ko nila. Miss ba talaga? Paano yung jowa mo? There someday but you can accept to come. You can visit me here to meet me. If you like. I'm always here. Miss kita. Miss mong makita yung mga ano, hindi ako. Shit. Say it again. +63946 2441 429. You can contact me that number on my WhatsApp. I can make a comment. Ano din, mo. Okay, open na rin akong live guys. Okay, comment na ako kung paano. Ano ba? Okay, tanaw akong live mo. Type of message. Wait. Wait. I can't wait.
Wala blast eh.
Ito, Lula. Wala diya? Ha? Dito, Lula. To, ano ito ng haplas. Kasi yung panakit yung lawas. Ang lap. Forever. You see. Wait, I can't make it because my phone is not just you. That's my WhatsApp. If you catch my number, +63946 2441 429. I can make a. Ang bastos talaga to si Marvin. Si Joey, hello.